Hey, welcome to this Monday morning live, and this one is going to be about some beautiful pieces that we're going to go for. Okay, now something very special that has come today for us to be able to show you is red bandhni cotton dupattas in ghacholas, and yeah, it's really nice, and it's the first time that we're trying something like that. So hope you will be able to see that and catch that. Okay, now what I'm wearing is a Georgette dupatta. This is 12,800 per meter. Now the fabric that indeed, that is what I'm wearing right now is indeed 980 per meter, but you can use this very beautiful, almost simple fabric, simple in dressing it up, not simple in making it up. It's a real elegance in the softness and the feel of it. It dyes beautifully as well. But what I'm saying is that you can dress this really nice fabric in this very wonderful way. Now this outfit that I'm wearing, it's called the Savaria color, and it takes about 10 to 13 meters depending on your size to be able to dress it. Now premium chanderi is one such fabric that even if you're going to be wearing this Georgette dupatta with it, I think it looks absolutely amazing, really dressy in just the right way, not too much, not too less. Okay, make sure that if you're going to go for volumes, then you can use some gota detailings, and yes, of course, ask us for a picture and we'll send it across to you. And remember that every parcel which is above 50,000 always gets that style guide. Now that style guide is a great tool to have to dress up your pieces and the beautiful fabrics that you get from us. Okay, so yes, now another way of wearing it is also this. Okay, now you say that I love cotton, but what I'm wearing and where I'm wearing it, I do need some amount of sheen to it. Okay, then what do? Then you go for this. Now look at that gorgeous fabric. It's amazing, it's beautiful, and this is 4,800 per meter. Okay, and what I'm going to show you is this. I think this dupatta. Okay, can I have some mats? Can I have 24,000 plus 12,800? Just simple, because what I'm saying is that when you're wearing this, you need to wear it 5 meters. So top and bottom, एक ही चीज होना चाहिए. Today, I'm also going to do a short video on telling you how many meters you need for what in general. Okay, so yes, 36,800. What do you get in that? You're going to get 5 meters of this for top and bottom, and this beautiful dupatta, and you have a gorgeous outfit under 40k, the best silk possible with this Georgette dupatta. I'm going to go put this back again. Now in general, I'm going to go, okay, bring out this another. Okay, let's do the dyeable dupattas, one design, any one design that you want. Okay, now this is a gorgeous silk fabric. Okay, you would see that there are so many nice content for you to catch up on the page, and fabrics हैं उसमें, suits हैं, and you can really get those as well. Okay, जो भी lives भी होते हैं, they also become a video the moment they are posted. So you do have somewhere where you need to hear more. You want to understand this is the format that you want to catch up, and when you want to look at something very quickly, explore options and make up your mind, we also have all of that on the page. Okay, now look at this beautiful pink fabric. You cannot go wrong with it. Now what I really did want to show you was that this is the dyeable dupatta that I was wearing, this particular design, and it is 12,800. Or jo bhi aapne recently, you've seen any silk fabric on our page, including this one, you can get it dyed as per that. I think it just kind of makes for a great completer, matlab ek look ban jata hai, and really without stretching too much. So it's a great piece. Okay, from that I'm going to come, what a fabulous fabric on a general separate note. I think for a kurta and for a dressier silhouette, I think it's going to be amazing. For an anarkali, it's going to be really nice. For something that I'm wearing like this, ये जो fabric है, and you can see, why you see it going down is because I have all of this detailing here. इसके जो colors हैं, and I do have some ready more color options which will come a little later. I will get to that. But because what I really did want to show you before I started all of that was our red bandhni cotton ghachola dupattas. Okay, and they are absolutely special. Okay, look at that. Red bandhni, extremely tough to make. Okay, and here it is for you. Okay, now because it's cotton, it's gonna look amazing on this fabric that I'm wearing. All you will need to tell us is that do you want to wear it on red or do you want to wear it in the base color. I think in the base color it's going to look really classy. In fact, why don't we just get a couple of colors. Yeah, let's just do this peach just to give an idea. It's not an exact match, but I just want to show you that a color like, oh, I think it looks really nice. Yes. So, you know, I'm wearing this. इस पे contrast. ये जो एक color है, the Savaria color, it's like your Indian look. Whenever you're in the mood for tradition, it's a great color to be having. इस पे red, green, purple, blue, black, everything looks nice. Okay, and of course golds and all. But you know, when you're wearing these and you're going for a same on same, it's going to be superb. Let's do a match. Okay, ये जो fabric, मेरा silhouette is about 10 meters, 11 meters. But चलिए एक 6 meters लेते हैं. So 980 into 6, okay? And then you do this dupatta along with it. Okay, and it's going to be color matched to the T. It's going to be 28,680 for that, and it's going to be this gorgeous look with it. Okay, now yeah, that's going to go very well. Yes, and this piece is absolutely it's going on there. It's absolutely special. White, okay, or white जब मैं बोलूँ हमेशा याद रखिए, it's always, you know, off white. It's not going to be that rin safedi white. We don't want that. Okay, now this is this beautiful. So you know, my question is also, when you ask me white, now I always think white like that. So you know, always, I mean, you know, let us know if you're looking for that whiteness or you're looking for an off white, because this off white, it's such a beautiful color. Red bandhni checks, it's got everything and the most perfect tassels to go with it. This dupatta, and you know, is just super special. I'm really happy that I was able to make this. You can wear this all white, look gorgeous. Wear it on gold, look amazing. Or wear it on the deeper color. Or make just आपको example दे रही हूँ that look at this. This is how it's going to look, so superbly classic. So imagine yourself wearing this kind of a beautiful flowy, you know, detailed look, and then you kind of, you know, completely break it with this one. Now look at that. I think it's absolutely amazing, and you can add on 980 per meter, and this dupatta is what price? 22,800, and you have the most perfect. I love this. It's gorgeous. If you see, you'll see this is a little more red. This is a little red maroon. But आप चाहें अगर कि you want a little more red, I can do that for you, no problem. This looks really nice, and yeah, I think I love that. It's amazing. Okay, and here you go. Now this is the next one. This is, oh, this is very pretty. What is this? This is the Chanderi dupatta, which is 12,800. Okay, and this together, I think it looks very gorgeous. How is it going to look? It's going to look like this. You can see why I wear the Savaria, because any other color really kind of complements it. But this color with this, it's going to be perfection and very pretty. So yeah, that's a one. Now I'm going to just show you the remaining colors that are there for you. This is a orange, a deep, beautiful orange, okay? And you'll see that there is that gold, there is that red bandhni, and you know, so we've done 4 base color tassels. That's the look that we are going for, and I think it is really light and easy to be wearing. Okay, आप order कैसे place करने वाले हैं? That's a very simple way. You have to WhatsApp us. That's it. Okay, and I'm gonna say this, that I know that because we are WhatsApp only, and I mean, of course there's a studio, but our website is in revamp, and yes, it's WhatsApp only. So what happens is, I know that, you know, even I feel that अगर मुझे किसी को message करना है and I feel it's too late, I just think I'll do it later, you know. But remember that हमारा number एक business number है. It's meant to work 24/7, and I say this especially for the international crowd, because I know so many of you are trying to catch us. You can drop in a message anytime as per your time, okay? Anytime. Like, do not worry that, you know, what is the other person going to think? It's a business number. We will get back as soon as possible. You know, don't feel that हिचक कि मैं यार message नहीं करूँ, because I know many of you outside उसी में वो रह जाता है हम, you know, for you and us to talk together. But I love this color. It's just gorgeous. This is almost pink. You'll see the bandhni is almost pink. It's just so beautiful, you know. And I am going to, therefore, it is actually Rani pink. You know, that is what is so special about it. So, you know, for the first time, we've done these reds, pinks, dark colors, and I think they look so beautiful. Now, what is it that you're going to see with this is, of course, the same fabric that I'm wearing, and with this beautiful color. Let's show it to you. It is so fine, the work. I'm just trying to see ki ulta kya hai, seedha kya hai. This, look at how amazing that looks. Okay, the green and the pink, glorious. Yes, we can definitely do the base color, why not? I mean, and of course remember that plain fabrics mein there's no extra charges. On a good day, on a fresh day, there's nothing extra on any piece that you want to get it dyed. Of course, when you send us a picture of a piece that you have on your phone and you say matches, that's impossible. Okay, that's not possible. But if you choose it from the shade card, you tell us, oh, this is a pink that you had shown, it also works well for me, get it dyed. Yeah, we can do. Okay, I think I love this. Somehow it's just very, very pretty. अब मैं ये दिखा ही रही हूँ, तो I will also show the 12,800 dupatta with it, which is like this. So it's going to be not too short. We have yet another 20-30 minutes to go, because we really do want to show you everything that there is to show. So this is the last color, and I'm just seeing, yes, this is the last color for this beautiful small capsule collection of red bandhni Ghachola dupattas launching this morning just for you, and it is absolutely stunning. I mean, look at that. One cannot go wrong with this, and it's absolutely incredible. What a stunning black. I would totally wear it on a black, on a red, on a gold, on a white. I mean, that's the whole joy. Acha, ye bahut zaruri hai that for me, I mean, at least that's important for me, that you enjoy your pieces in more than one way. In fact, I have a beautiful fabric that I'm going to show you as, okay? Now, you know what we call this fabric? Within us, we call it the lady booty, because it is one special fabric for us as a part of what we've been working and doing in the background. This is a very important thing for us. It's made by a woman, yes, okay? The looms always, groomed and run by men, and of course, very talented craftsmen forever, have been making spaces for women with drive and talent and culture and everything, which ensures, मैंने ये पहले भी बोला था, we had done a post on it, women do drive culture, okay? And when you put women on the looms, that whole question on कि क्या होगा अगर, ये आगे क्या होगा, one, क्या होगा, we are here, people with us will thrive, we will, and that's all thanks to you, of course, okay? But there is always that scope with an opportunity and with some kind of, some kind of that, when you're in that space where you can make a difference, you must, okay? This has been made, this is the first ever, and I've made thousands and thousands of meters of fabrics. This is the first one that you get to see here, because the first one, I think just from the reel, the whole thing went away. This is the first time made by a woman, okay? And I'm incredibly proud of it. So this is a karwa weave, of course, coming back to the fabric. It's a very beautiful motif, and it's an, it's Sona Rupa. It's got red and it's got pink. And the whole thing was that I do think that this will also look really nice in a white and a black. But yes, surely you can get this dyed. It's dyeable, and you can do that. But I think it just looks really nice. Like, if you don't want to go all black, this is a great one. The original piece that I have planned for it is a stunning, okay? This is a stunning fabric, one to be wearing top and bottom. Such a great story with it. I mean, I'm not so much about, telling stories which, as a way of hooking you, but these stories, I mean, I'm telling about, loom stories, but it's something that's, to be cherished by all of us, okay? So yeah, that's a great motivation, I think, just to be enjoying these pieces. Now look at that. Oh, that is a beautiful stunner of a piece, okay? Incredibly amazing. Just look at those colors. Now you know that when I say that you wear any color, okay, and then I say you wear pink or you wear red or with this mustard, it's going to look amazing. It is your perfect look, okay? But first things first, this is a masterpiece. Look at the work. This is all done by hand. This border is, of course, karwa. It is one exceptional piece, as you can see, okay? It's just really beautiful. So the reason we got it out was this, because this got red, this got pink, this has got red, this got pink. And I think that, unusual combinations and, textures, which will actually build your wardrobe and build your looks. This is something made of that. I think it's absolutely amazing. So yes, something that you absolutely can go for. Now the next thing, and it's going to be a great Monday morning because I have got so many pieces for you, each one as stunning as the next one. There you go. There's the first one, a white linen with green meena, and look at that. That's the Nakshi work within it as well. And this is of course made in Karwa, and it's beautiful. Okay, it's just beautiful. This is white, as amazing as it gets. And just think about wearing this same on same. It's going to be amazing. Okay, now same on same because I think it just kind of adds and creates that complete look. And I'm going to give you some stunning dupattas. Basic dupattas, Chanderi dupatta 5,800. Surely you can do that. Okay, definitely. But let's give you something more. Okay, कि और क्या किया जा सकता है? I have two very stunning dupattas for you because this is just not like any other linen that you see. This is handcrafted with the most beautiful meenas. And let me give you the combination. I think this is perfect with it. Okay, what are you seeing? A Karwa weave, Georgette dupatta, Georgette linen are two fabrics that go really well together. So ye hai iska saath. That's your option one. One, wear it as a kurta, plain bottom. Two, wear it as a same on same without dupatta. Three, wear it with this dupatta. I think it's so pretty together. And four, I'll tell you, four. So when we do this, we really do want to give you all the options that are there. And this one, now that dupatta and this fabric, very classy. When you want to really spunk it up and make it a little more traditional and fun, to all of those celebrations that you have, we have done this, It's anything but usual. It looks super, super cool. I will come back to the dupatta more. And yes, or maybe you have that amazing green dupatta lying in your wardrobe thinking what to do. This is that piece where you can wear it. Or remember, of course, it's a perfect emerald green. I'm wearing emerald, you can see it. It's a perfect emerald green, really nice. This is 5,800 per meter, and yes, go for it. Now this one, this dupatta, wear it with that, wear it with chanderi. But okay, now very important to remember when you're doing chanderi, अगर आप चाहेंगे कि ये same color हम chanderi में करें, तो वो color नहीं आएगा, okay? Because this is a silk thread fabric. This is Georgette. It's beautiful. So when you say that, you want to do a plain with it, matching the color, you have to take a base silk, okay? I'll show you. In fact, the green कैसे आएगा? ये ऐसा आएगा, right? So you cannot do a same on same. But does it look great on a premium chanderi? It does, because look at that. I'm wearing it. It looks very fabulous with it. So when you're going for a cotton base and you, especially when you're meeting it with like silk based dupattas, then you got to go for contrast. And her silk dupatta katan will not look nice with premium chanderi, but some selective few, and I'm here to tell you which ones will look nice. This will look incredible on a mustard like this, or even a yellow. From the bandhni itself, you can go for the yellow. It'll look really nice. This fabric is 980 per meter. This dupatta you can check on the price with the team. And agar same on same jayenge, just go for a katan silk or a chinia silk. It's a very pretty dupatta in any case. Now, time for some very nice dyeable chinia fabrics. And look at that. Isn't that amazing? So yeah, if you say, with that dupatta you want this, yeah, that's a good match, okay? So, okay, we specialize in suit fabric dupattas. We're based in Bombay. We ship worldwide. And yes, how we sell is our weekly live short videos, which you can just catch and come on WhatsApp and place your order. Ordering and shopping and finding the rarest and the most beautiful pieces has never been easier. With Neve, you can find all of that in a jiffy. Okay, so look at that. That's a wonderful fabric. Sona Rupa. Kisi mein bhi dye kare. You can just dye it in any color. And maybe you're looking for all of those dyeable fabrics. I know which you constantly are, you guys. Now look at that. This dupatta 12,800, and with this, I think it would be perfect. This would be perfect generally with anything. This is, I think, 4,800 per meter. This dupatta 12,800. Another such combination that we have, and I have two more, and we're going to do it all together, is this one. This is another motif. It's got a touch of pink, which is why I have this dupatta for you. It's the pink dupatta, and it's very pretty with it. Look at that. It's just perfect. So wear it with this, get it dyed both ways. It looks very beautiful, okay? Ye dekho aap, like, look at that dupatta. This dupatta is 22,800, or I think it's just perfect. So when you're really kind of picking up a new neutral for this season, I think this would be a great one. I think I love, honestly, I didn't like mustard almost till I didn't make Savaria for myself, and then I figured out that there is always a way to love and like a color. We have sold hundreds of meters of this particular color over the years, thanks to the love that you show us. You guys are incredible. It is, you are the reason what we do is what we do. So it's, you guys are absolutely amazing, and my big gratitude to you always. Now look at that. That's a small buta. Again, it's dyeable, and you can have this. It would be very pretty. You tell me that you want to go for a very light look because you could make bahut sundar hai, and you want to just wear it like that, and I think it makes total sense. And then you can go for something like this, a very lightweight kota dupatta. I think even like, look at that, very pretty. It's a last cut, okay? Now this dupatta also, like if you are kind of going to be wearing and dressing this up heavily, matlab jewelry pehne wale, makeup pehne wale, wear flowers in your hair, it's a look that will look very nice with all of those traditional touch. Then you can just go for a simpler dupatta like this. Of course, you can also do it in the base color. Agar 6 meter, okay, let's do this 980 into 6, okay, and this simple dupatta of 3600. So kya aata hai uska match? I just want to tell you that the match is 9480, okay, 6 meters of this and one dupatta. Yeah, like full set, guys. So of course, increase the volume, do all of that, it will look gorgeous. From that, we're going to come back to, because that's what we want to show you. We want to show you everything. It's like a, the best summary. The lives are like this best summary that you will catch up. One worries, I should see this, what can you show me? But of course, sometimes we don't know what we want to see. That's why we have these lives. We are showing you something that will definitely kind of catch your eye today. And remember, agar aap pehli baar dekh rahe hain, so, just, without any hitch, come on WhatsApp. That's the way we sell. That's the way we interact with you. So, aaiye WhatsApp pe and chat with us, and, ask us and, probably, take a picture or two and, see what we are all about. Anyways, now, this glorious, it's like this golden, this turmeric gold, yeah, like that, I think it's really nice. So, it's a lighter, not turmeric, like, I mean, I think there's this it's an amazing thing. When you say turmeric, you think of a different color. When you think of haldi, then you think of this color, right? But it's actually the same thing. Of course, two different names. But yeah, I mean, I think either ways, it is a gorgeous. Oh, look at that. Just to die for. Now, I don't know how much. Ye kitna hai, ye fabric. Can we do a same on same? I'll tell you the reason why I want you to just check that possibility of same on same. Oh, yes, we do have a 6 meters, which is, I'm very happy about it. I'll tell you exactly why. This is a two-tone color. The beauty that you see is in this two-tone, okay? If I dye it, and I can, it's not like I can't. I can dye it, but it'll be a single color. But if you, so then single color karne to aap, do the dupatta. The dupatta is a single color. But if you really want to add on to this whole look, then do a same on same. We have enough fabric, thankfully. And I think it's perfect. Perfect, okay? From the traditional, we're going to go all pastel. This is one beautiful small cut of, I love this brocade, okay? Now, jo ye zari hai, this is actually very light gold. But I'm going to show you a little bit of both. I'm going to show you a gold dupatta, and this is how it looks. And look at that. This is 7,800. Huh? Can I get me some maths? 7,800, which is per meter, which is 19,500 for 2.5 meter, okay? And this dupatta, which is 8,800 plus 5,625 for the plain silk bottom. And then you have this most beautiful, what is the maths? 33,925. You have a perfect, very rich, very beautiful, incredible, look at the weaves. Very nice look in 33,925. So 33,925. Plain silk bottom, like super. Now the same way I'm going to help you create another one, and this is a mauvish. I could do the same. Can I get the golden dupatta again? I'll show you those things in this. This one is going to be, one is this, look at that, and that's the gold look, okay? And I think it looks nice, but I also did want to show you the silver look with it. The silver dupatta again. Now, I think it is very light gold, but this got that touch of gold. It gives a very, क्योंकि ये white color base है तो इसके साथ ये अच्छा लगता है. Look at that, and this is enough for a same on same. So you know that nice brocade, slightly flary pants, A-line kurta. Yeah, you can get that with this, and you can either go with the gold dupatta or you can go for the silver. I think they both look really nice. Okay, so yes. Okay, इसमें मेरे पास, you know, the fabric that I'm wearing, I'm coming back to it. It's 980 per meter. You can get it as much as you want. आगे के season के लिए to have the Savaria color in your, you know, in your wardrobe is going to be very, very good because you're going to be able to wear a range of colors. Now, this one is this green color. It's a nice green color. I'm just showing you some options with a 12,800 dupatta that's there, that's ready to go out. The softness of this is incredible. Just wear a color match lining. If you want the lining, you can always ask us. We will give it to you. 480 per meter. We have also introduced very recently a raw silk lining, which is going to be, one second, which is going to be, let's see, the lining is going to be raw silk, again the same price, 480 per meter. So I know, you know, the reason we've done it is that many of you have said cotton lining is very comfortable, but this outfit is special. I'm going to wear it once, and I think it's a very nice color. I'm going to wear it probably once, and I want it to look a little rich even from the inside. So we said that makes so much sense. We're going to do that. And look at that. That's a really nice soft color. I don't think I have a dupatta with it, but I just think it looks really good. You can do so many different dupattas. In fact, I'm going to show you. Let's do the dyeable remaining dupattas. I'm going to show you the exact other georgette because when I started, I was wearing a georgette dupatta and it was looking really nice on it. Now, look at that. This is also 12,800. Let's show you the designs that we have for you. I've shown you one, I think, at the start. This is the second one. Look at that. It dyes perfectly. And this is the third one. So it's the final one. And whether it's this color you want it in or any other color, like you can do a contrast, it will look like a Rani with it would be really nice. So you can do that. You know, I like this particular shade with a pink. Okay, and you can do that. Now, our very pretty fabric. Okay, the next than, and when I say next, we got a few last time. They were all sold out, of course, thanks to all of you. You guys are amazing. This is the next one that we've received. Now, this time we said we're going to be smarter. We're going to be ready with our dupatta, which we can show you because it is a very pretty dupatta. And yes, in the style guide, you've seen me wear one dupatta. Now, that dupatta is in green, but it's the 18,800, which we have stopped making in white. One thing, you know, on a separate note, this is such a beautiful color. Just the dupatta. It's a cotton dupatta. Okay, it's a special composition that we've done. It's cotton. There you go. You can see that it's beautiful cotton with the sheen. So one thread of silk, one thread of cotton gives you this exquisite look. Now, what I was saying was, yes, I have it in that green in that style guide, but that green dupatta we're not making anymore. Now, this dupatta, yes, we are making. You can have it in green, you can have it in blue, but I think, you know, go for the blue. It looks very beautiful with it. This dupatta ready to be shipped out today. And अगर आप चाहें इस leaf green में कराना, which is what I had also wanted it originally with, that would also look very nice. Okay, so you could do green or you could do, but all in all, this is amazing dupatta. In fact, I want to show you something, and it's like totally off this theme, but I have this really pretty. I'm just seeing how would it be to wear a pink and green. You know, it would be nice, very, very nice. In fact, why not create some contrast? Why not do all of that? Have some fun with what we wear. Okay, but of course, this dupatta can be dyed in green with this, and in fact, I have another one. So, what is it that I have? I have the Gulbuta, the latest color. Okay, so our summer collections, you know, they get made as we make them, as we show them, as we sell them. Okay, so that happens at the side. But now, of course, the looms get switched on, and you know, now we're going to, of course, our next season. But before that, the last few colors that are coming up, and this one is such a fresh green. For Gulbuta, I've said it earlier, my whole idea was you can do this with white crisp poplin pants. Poplin is a form of cotton. It looks amazing. We've just sourced a bit of it for you guys. If you want to wear it, we have it ready to be shipped. It'll look amazing. Crisp white pants, okay? And this as a long kurta, as above the knee, it will look very nice, okay? So that's one way of wearing it. The other way is, of course, same plain chanderi cotton, and then you go for something like this. And look at this. It completely kind of changes the way this is. It looks traditional, it looks different, it looks beautiful, okay, and very, very dressy. So this is also a great way of wearing it. Okay, and of course, that gul boota is 7,800 per meter, that dupatta is 12,800. Now, we're going to go to last 4 suits mere paas hain, and which is what I wanted to show you. Some very, oh, that's a very soft, very beautiful color. Okay, and again, even on the suits, the looms are now getting changed. We're getting our last colors that we have for you. Okay, that's what's coming to you. Now, look at that. There you go. This is a plain silk bottom with it. It looks incredible with it. Okay, but next up, and here you go. Now, that's the piece right here for you, and with it we have the very pretty dupatta, and the whole idea is that we've done a light and dark so that you can see it. I think it's damn nice. Now the silver zari, I mean, that's the silver zari with Meena, but what a pretty look for you to have. So this one is one suit that we are going to be showing you. Now that's in Munga. The next up is going to be organza, and a really different one. It's like a kind of a jharoka design. Okay, this is your next one. These are all suit sets. So far, abhi tak jitna bhi maine shuru mein dikhaya aapko, sab kuch was a mix of ensemble sets that you could go for separately. And this one, now look at that. It's a nice summer blue. It comes with a plain bottom. It's got a jacquard weave right there for you. So ye hai. Next up from that is going to be this one. Now that's a very nice one. Okay, it's cotton, and it's got a weave color of both the zaris. It's got a plain bottom with it, and there you go, a very nice one. And from that we're going to go close on to the last piece. There you go. Here it is. Very nice. Okay. Now we're in between a lot of things and a lot of admin related stuff basically. So meaning to say that tomorrow we have no live. This one is it for now. Okay. We started the week with a bang. We've left you all. Look at that. Look at this two-tone color. And I think it's the last fuse that, again, you know, the same thing. All our looms getting changed. Oh, but it's amazing. Just look at how this color looks. It's just everything that you want it to be. It's beautiful, okay? And this very wonderful color. It's a two-tone, if you can see. That's the bottom, also made on the loom. What a striking red and pink. Just amazing. And look at that. Can you see that dupatta? Okay, that's your look. That's from our premium category of suit sets that are just amazing. Okay, and yes, that's it from us today. Have a great one. And yeah, in between all of that, and we will of course let you know what all we are up to, but for now, yeah, this is something that we are leaving you with. I have no definite date of the next live, so make sure that you have seen this one, you've seen all the videos that we've been putting up, and you have placed your orders. It's always time to dress up. It's always time to look good and feel good about yourself. So have a great week, and we'll see you really soon again. Bye.